Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Allie and this is the Adventures of Mally. It is 4th of July weekend, so I'm going to show you what we are doing this 4th of July weekend. A lot of mixture of different stuff. There will be fireworks along with some projects and just all around good time out on the boat. So hit that subscribe button and come along. So you probably heard in my intro, it was kind of loud. Look what we have. So this is new. We actually ended up getting a new riding lawnmower at home, so we actually brought our old riding lawnmower up north. It was kind of a project because the old riding lawnmower was like broken, so Matt did have to do some work on it for the past week, but it was something that he really wanted because, as you can see, we have kind of a big lot, especially since we don't really have a cabin yet. So it's going to be a very big help for Matt when he has to cut the grass, which is not that often up here in the summer, but still it's kind of a lot of work. We actually don't have a ton of grass because in previous vlogs, which I will put a link in the description down below of some vlogs of us planting grass. There's the dog. It's hard to grow grass here. It will eventually grow, but we're kind of in between, you know, building a cabin. We have our loft right there, but I've showed you guys that, you know, the cabin is going right there. But we still like to cut the grass because we don't like the grass being this long. It attracts bugs, it attracts, you know, horse flies and mosquitoes. So we do still have to cut the grass even though it may not look like it. So that's what Matt is doing right now. And here's the pontoon boat. We have not put it in the water yet because Matt wanted to cut the grass down by the landing, but we're gonna put it in soon. I can't wait. I actually have not been up here since Memorial Day weekend, which I'll put another link in the description down below of our Memorial weekend vlogs. So it's been a little bit since I've been out on the boat, so I just can't wait to grab a drink and just enjoy this beautiful weather and this gorgeous 4th of July weekend. So honestly, I don't really have a whole lot planned for this weekend. Like I had said, we do have some fireworks, so hopefully I'll be able to show you that. But other than that, it's really just kind of like a whatever weekend. But I'll just kind of take you along, just, you know, as things pop up. So I hope you enjoy this.
What are you gonna say? This is a piece of shit.
What happened to the cover thing?
It fell off going up the hill.
Oh, okay. So here it is. Here's our old tractor, our old lawnmower. It gets the job done. It is super old, and look, this piece fell off going up the hill. So it works because now Matt doesn't have to push mow everything. So let's take a walk down by the water. I'll show you the cut grass, and then I just want to see the water. So yeah, pretty nice now that the grass is cut. Like I said, we don't have a ton of grass, but we don't really want long grass because we don't want it to breed mosquitoes and bugs and horseflies and stuff like that. So we will probably cut it again in August. We just don't need to cut it that much. And cabin goes right there. I can't wait. Oh wow, the water is like super high. We might need to put like a little, maybe cement block there. I don't know if I can jump over that. Matt said the water was actually really high. He thinks that there are some beavers that have dammed up the outlet. There's like an outlet that way where it's a creek between the two lakes, and usually the water flows that way, and he thinks some beavers have dammed up that little outlet right there, which makes our lake super high. But I never knew it would be this high, so I'll try to jump this and go out onto the dock, so wish me luck. Okay, I did it. It was actually kind of hard. That's kind of a long little jump, so we might need to put a little cement block, but it's gorgeous weather today. It's actually not super hot, maybe mid 70s. It's supposed to get a lot hotter. It's supposed to be in the 90s, which is a little uncomfortable up at our cabin, only because off-grid, don't have air conditioning. Although we do have kind of like this portable air conditioner thing that if we set it up and use it, I'll show you how it works. It's kind of interesting. We don't use it that often because we do have to turn on the generator, but we make do by hanging out in the bottom part of the garage, which I'll go show you how we have that set up because I don't think I've ever shown you guys that before with the screened in portion. So let's go back to the garage and I'll show you that. So here's our garage, and we actually, every time we get here, we put up this big screen over the garage door opening. And we make it into our own little like screened-in porch. So I'll show you the inside of it. And here's the inside. Sorry, the dog's drinking her water. But here's the inside. So it makes it its own little screened-in porch. We have our little chairs right here. We can look out on the water. Obviously the boat won't be there. We got to put the boat in the water yet. But it's kind of nice. We don't leave this up all the time. We put it up every single time we come up here. It's very easy to put up. It takes Matt maybe 5 minutes. But it makes it a lot easier because the bugs get really bad, so the bugs don't come in here. But also the garage is a lot cooler. So sometimes when it gets really, really hot, we will take some cots and put them down here, like just down along here, and sleep down here if it's super, super hot. So hey guys, we just got done with dinner and we're now doing a sunset cruise. Matt's doing some fishing. I'm actually not going to do a lot of vlogging. I'll take a little bit of video of the sunset a little bit, but we will hook back up with you tomorrow. We're not going to do a lot of vlogging tomorrow either because we are going to hang out with family. It's our nephew's birthday tomorrow, so we're going to be with family. But when we get back, we'll show you a little bit of what our Saturday night looks like. So we'll hook back up with you tomorrow. Hey guys, we just got back from some family time. I did not vlog during that. It was our nephew's birthday. It was very, very nice, but very, very hot. So we got back and I took a nice little dip in the lake. That's what's so great about being next to a lake, that when it gets super hot and we get super sticky and sweaty, we just jump in the lake. So now we are actually going to head out on the boat, grab a few drinks and head out on the boat. So I'll do a little bit of vlogging before signing off. But tomorrow, you're going to want to stick around because tomorrow I think we're going to try to do some early morning kayaking. So I'm going to hook my GoPro up to my kayak and see what kind of footage I get. So you're not going to want to miss out on that. So for dinner tonight, we're just doing chips and salsa. We had a lot of food at our little party with our families, so chips and salsa for dinner. But we're having it out on the boat, so it's like a dinner cruise. Maybe I can convince Matt to put the awning up because it is super bright and sunny. With our sunset dinner cruise of chips and salsa. But the view's nice. So hey guys, our neighbors are lighting off fireworks. Our neighbors across the lake. So we decided to stay on the pontoon boat and just kind of check out the little festivities. They're putting on a really great show. Matt's trying to move the boat around a lot because the bugs are kind of bad. Ooh, you hear them in the background? Nice big ones. They're really pretty. I'll show you. Good morning and happy 4th of July. It's actually a beautiful morning. We were woken up by loons and some weird bird thing that I'm not exactly sure what it was, but it is a beautiful morning. And because it's so calm this morning, we are actually going to get all set up and ready to go out on a kayaking trip, which I'm getting the GoPro ready and I'm going to take some GoPro footage and show you guys. We're just going to go around the local lakes. We're not going to the river or anything this time, but it should be a lot of fun and it just looks so gorgeous and the lake is just so calm. So let's go. we have made it to Cable Lake. I've highlighted this lake before. It's the lake right next door to us. It's a beautiful day. The wind's starting to pick up, so we actually caught this at a perfect time. I'm just taking a little break. But I hope I got some really good footage with my GoPro. I'm still kind of learning how to use the GoPro and trying to figure out what I can do with it. So hopefully this summer I'll have more opportunities. We kind of want to take the GoPro down the river near us, which has a lot more rapids and stuff like that. And then we want to take it on a side-by-side trail. So I don't know, more things to come this summer. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel. And there's Matt way over there. He's flexing his muscles, but you can't really see because he's too far away. But there are actually some very beautiful cabins on this lake that I really love. I love the design of them. So we are going to start making the journey back. So I'll try to lead this time on the way to Cable Lake. Matt was leading, so I will lead this time so we can have a different vantage point on the GoPro. Good morning. It is Monday, July 5th. Beautiful morning, very muggy. It actually rained a lot last night, so the rain is causing the mugginess. I wanted to come out and show you. This is the leftovers of our fireworks. Sorry I wasn't able to get video of it. It was just way too dark. We started ours really, really dark, and my camera doesn't do the best in the dark. And I was trying to keep the dog calm. Not a ton of fireworks, just a little bit, but now we get to clean all of this up. That is the downfall of fireworks. They're fun, but I kind of hate cleaning them all up. But we're actually going to have coffee in the screened-in garage, and then we'll probably go out on the boat, and then I will end the vlog then. So last night, this is a little of what we did. We watched the sunset, which was over that way, off of the back of our boat. So here I am sitting on the two fishing boats. I hope you can hear me. It's a little windy, so I'll maybe try to speak a little louder, but it was really nice last night watching the sunset on the back of the boat. The bugs weren't too bad, although they did start to get bad, but we are almost ready to head out. We're gonna spend some time on the water before we head on home. We want to take advantage of just the beautiful weather because we're not gonna be up here for a little bit, probably not until the end of July. So Matt's getting a drink. I have a Bloody Mary right here because it is morning, and so you always have to have Bloody Marys. So I figured I'd just show you the view off the back of the boat. It's actually really nice and serene and peaceful. I believe we are the only ones on the lake right now. That's what it looks like. Looks like most people went home. So let's just enjoy the last of the boat before we have to head home. So Matt and I were just talking about how perfect this bimini is. It's called a bimini, the canopy. It really is just a lifesaver when you're out on the boat and it's super sunny like this. I just absolutely love that we have this. It really makes it really bearable out on the boat, or else we would not be able to even be out on the boat right now, to be honest with you. Weather today is about 90 degrees on this Monday, July 5th, so that bimini and having that shade really, really makes a difference. Otherwise, I don't know what we'd be doing, just sitting on the shore trying to find shade in the trees. We've been out on the lake for a good hour, hour and a half, and just having this cover just makes the difference and creates just this relaxing environment. It's so nice. So that is it. That is our 4th of July weekend. We are headed out, packing up. As you can see, I have a lot of dishes to do. I have so much packing to do, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. That's the boring part and the sad part. But thank you for joining us on this vlog. We hope you had fun watching all of our festivities for the 4th of July weekend. Don't forget to join our adventure family by hitting that subscribe button down below. I hope you're having a great week and we'll have a great weekend, and I hope you had a great 4th of July weekend. And remember, it's a beautiful world out there, so go out there and find your adventure. See you real soon. Bye.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling